Hello, this is Mrs. Rice, and this is a very quick screencast on how to access ResearchITCT. The first thing that you're going to do is go up to your browser bar and type in the URL researchitct.org. That brings you to the home page of the Connecticut State Library's researchitct.org website. On the left-hand side, under the blue Resources button, you're going to click on For High Schools. That's going to bring you to the page that has all of the different databases on it. The first column has information from magazines and journals on all subjects. The second column has links, database links to newspapers and images, law and business, health and science. And the right column has information in databases on history and biography subjects. The two we discussed in class were High Schools Explorer and Academic Search Premier. I'm going to go ahead and open High Schools Explorer, and from home, as I mentioned, it's password protected. You need to enter in your Connecticut library card. For most of us at Berlin High, that's going to be your Berlin Peck library card number, located on the back of your library card. Anybody who's coming to Berlin High from a different town would be using your hometown public library card. So I'm going to go ahead and put the number in, and it's going to allow me to then access the database. From here, you can use the keyword search box, or you can take a look at all of the different subject headings. Remember that I talked about hyperlinks. All of these subjects and people in this case are hyperlinked and will bring you to information about them. I am going to use the keyword search box and do a search as an example. One of the students in the capstone class is working on the death penalty. So I'm going to go ahead and put in death penalty, and you can see that it's trying to help me with keywords. So I'm going to arrow down and say death penalty or capital punishment and hit enter. I got back an awful lot of results. This is 1 of 10 of 136,000 results. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the very first one, which is a topic overview. You can also use the limiters on the left-hand side to limit it by date, as well as source type. There's also videos that appear, and there's images as well. I'm going to go ahead and open the very first one, which is an overview, so I can review for you where you will find the information in the toolbox for the source citation. So in this instance, in this article, we see that you can translate this article into a different language. You can hit the listen button and it will read it to you in different accents actually. And on the right-hand side in the toolbox, if I wanted to use this article for my research, I would simply click on the Cite button to find the source citation. Within the Cite button, within this box, I need to scroll down to locate MLA, because MLA is what we use at Berlin High for citation. This is what you would copy and paste into your bibliography if you were going to use this article. To get back to this article quickly, you need to use the option in the toolbox for the permalink. The permalink is the permanent link that will bring you back to this article. Once I click on it, it appears here. So make sure not to grab the browser, the URL in the browser bar up here, but instead to use the permalink, because that will bring you back to this article. And lastly, another feature that is very helpful is the email function. Please try not to use the save option here. It only saves for the time that you're actually in the database at that sitting. So instead, if you wanted to print this article, you can use the print function. You can also use the email option and email this article to yourself. And I hope that helps. Please let me know if you need any further help on this. Thank you.